Kávépörkölös live. Búbos kemence. És a mester.
Aquí lo prendemos y después si dejarlo que se caliente, queme leña.
Tranquilo, sí.
Mientras se compran eléctrico, ¿no?
Okay, how do I?
You just take a photo,
This
camera, yeah,
camera.
and then press the red button.
Let's press the red button. Here we are in Colombia. Starting.
Press the red button.
Press it.
Yeah.
I saw it.
Okay, now you're good.
Now just pause.
Yeah, because when you press it, it will pause, but the numbers are going, so it's recording.
Well, no.
Yeah, the numbers are
It
going,
is?
it's recording.
So when I press this, it records.
Yep.
And then,
And if you press it again, it pauses.
so I thought I was on pause, but you said the numbers were going.
When the numbers are going, it pauses. So if you press it now, it records. And then it will say pause.
But it,
Because the button changes to pause.
so it pauses.
When it says pause, it's recording.
Excuse me?
When the number says pause, it's recording. If the numbers go, it records. So now, right now, it's not recording.
So right now it's not recording.
Nope.
I'm just.
A nagy kard és a kis ember esete.
I thought when I press it, but I'm
Yeah.
actually recording.
When you press it. So press it. Now it's recording.
Here we are in Colombia, starting the process of roasting coffee at a honest to goodness real coffee farm called Finca de Café in Popayan, Colombia. Here is the administrator, Hector, who's going to be doing the coffee roasting.
Con todo ahí, ¿no?
Okay.
Sí.
Those are
Füstöl az órán száján.
secadoras. Here's another one. And I'm going to enter
Együnk banánt.
the coffee. Well,
Oh yeah, the coffee is there.
here is Benito. Yes, Benito.
Vannak a szemek. Ez itt szárad ebben a üvegházszerű cuccban. Hálón van. Az Arabica kávé. Mountain Arabica, to be precise.
I will come back with other videos to show you all the steps of roasting coffee. This is Tatiana. See you later. Are you going to be filming more?
Yeah, I'll
Why?
film the whole thing because
You
we
can't film the whole thing. I
Why?
mean, this thing is. ¿Cuánto tiempo va a demorar
una
ahora
hora y media, yo creo.
1 ora e media.
Una óra, oké.
E media.
In media, sí.
1 ora e
Szóval
media
legalább egy óráig tartani fog.
va a
Ez a kis
demorar.
tüzecske.
Oh,
Úgyhogy
ya
együnk
sé.
még egy kávét.
Shelby,
Mi
yo
az
estoy
banán?
Pero no por aquí, por allá,
No,
¿no?
yo ahí le digo que van a hacer una instalación de la energía para acá, dicen.